I am habituated to listen only about complaints. From day in and day out, from morning till night, people only come and tell, this is not working, that is not working, this is not right, that is not right. Not only I am Guru or God for them, I am the matchmaker, I am the employer, I am the... In India, strange things you will see, even if the cows are lost, they will come to me. No, really. Around the villages, whether cow is lost, or cow is sick, or the dog ran away from the home, or cat is not eating, and you don't know what all the reasons. Whether computer is not working, from cat not eating to computer not working. Now in India, enlightened man is supposed to be omnipresent, omnipotent and omniscient. And he is supposed to listen patiently all the complaints, bless the people, give them either the boon or the consolation. Wherever the boon is possible, he is supposed to give the boon and change the situation. Wherever the changing the situation is not going to help or solve the problem permanently, he is supposed to at least give them the intelligence to handle the situation. He is responsible for anything happens in anybody's life. People come and tell me, very strange dramas. People come and tell me, oh Swamiji, I cannot think of this problem, this is killing my life, I surrender the whole thing at your feet. They will surrender only the problem, nothing else. Only the problems will be surrendered at your feet. If I give the solution and tell them practice, no, that is not possible, Swamiji, you yourself do something. Why don't you yourself do it? That's why I always tell people, the partial surrender. Of course, but enlightened master is supposed to be like a mother who takes care of everything. And moreover, he is supposed to create a space where people can offer their fear or greed or desire, anything without bothering, where they can open up. That is the reason. Even now when people come and tell me, I always give them the consolation.